Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to use Higgsfield AI in DaVinci Resolve. First, visit the Higgsfield website and download the Windows installer. Save the exe file to your computer. The installer works on Windows 10 and Windows 11, so you do not need any extra software. Once the download is complete, open the exe file and follow the installation steps. The installer will automatically detect your DaVinci Resolve installation and add all Higgsfield plugins in just a few seconds. After the installation finishes, open DaVinci Resolve. At the top, click Workspace, then Workflow Integrations, and select Higgsfield. The Higgsfield panel will open, giving you access to all 7 AI tools. You can create custom color looks with the AI LUT Creator by uploading a reference image or frame. Use Generate AI Video to create new video clips by simply describing what you want in text. Generate AI Image lets you create backgrounds, overlays, title cards, and other graphics with text prompts. The Reframe tool automatically changes your video's aspect ratio for platforms like YouTube Shorts, Instagram, or widescreen videos with a single click. Remove background separates your subject from the background without using a green screen. Draw to Edit allows you to sketch directly on the video to show the AI what you want to change. Finally, the Upscale tool improves video quality and can enhance clips up to 4K or even 8K while preserving sharp details. That's how you can install and start using Higgsfield AI in DaVinci Resolve. Thanks for watching.